Got my microwave working for a mean quota. Got my microwave working for a mean quota. Baking soda, Arm & Hammer, so it's taking over. Microwave working for a mean quota. Microwave working for a mean quota. Militant with my mind, so it's taking over. Baking soda, Arm & Hammer, niggas speaking cold words. Got a biscuit from the oven just to feed the birds. Buy the whole building, or you can rent a room. Invest in some CDs, and you can get some CDs. A nigga in the art, so I paint the perfect picture. I sip Hennessy and Remy till I'm throwing up my liquor. A cheetah running fast, but a turtle moving quicker. I'm into a model, and she can't get no thicker. Hit the views for the view, love to see the sunset. Rock the open-toe sandals, aviator shades. Niggas keep a collar shirt, that's how the bills stay paid. In the trenches with some killers, sipping pure lemonade. I'm swerving in the dunk, weekends I'm riding factory. I keep them hood chicks, but the models always after me. Flawless by all costs, I'm the Louis Vuitton dime. Got a call from a wizard, working magic with the wand. Lead the team like Brett Favre, my Mike Vick with a pick. Versace stays on, so a hater can't see shit. I'm the punchline rapper, so I punch a nigga backwards. Know some niggas artificial, man, they born being actors. This shit won't get you on, but it surely get you hurt. Know some niggas building houses out of bricks, so they work. Don't get mad, cause I'm flying, I'm soaring with the birds. Hit the red light district, got it popping overseas. In the Mile High Club, sipping bubbly with a vet. Got a Cuban for my picture, still ain't lit that bitch yet. I'm like Usher with my money, still ain't missed a jumper yet. Niggas still moonwalking, I'm James Brown with my slide. Took a trip to Jamaica just to smoke some trees out of leaf. I'm in the giving shit, so I'm dropping off this reef. Middle $20 beat like a grilled cheese sandwich. No pickles on my burgers, it'll do your stomach damage. They hate the way I rap cause they say a nigga managed. You can bump this on 3 and still do your ears some damage. Bitch, stop at the Waffle House just to feed my belly. Niggas always using syrup, I like my case with some jelly. I'm sharper than the motherfucker, ain't shit you can tell me. A nigga sugar free and them lanes sweet and low. I'm a hazard to your health like a high cholesterol. If I ever see a million, I'ma ball till I fall. I'm in the riding choppers, man, I pack a long pipe. You can take it how you want, but if you want me, it's alright. Hit the freeway coast and push the pedal to the flow. If you're looking for that bag, I can get it for the low. I miss the grind hard, man, I'm known to whip it good. Shout out to the niggas down in Texas gripping good. Man, I shine and I floss like a dentist putting work. Drop a pin on the floor just to peek up a skirt. Got a bird's eye view, wanna see the tropic islands. Man, I buy the whole bar, everybody leaves smiling. Put a number in my phone, but I bet I ain't dialing. AT&T, nigga, reach out and touch. Every pimp got a cane, but a lame need a crutch. I spit that greasy talk, I graduated from the trap. I'm the real ass nigga, putting cities on the map. You could think a nigga soft until that bread start to rise. I'm in the oven with my mitts, nigga, making devil pies. I can rap about the trapper, I can talk about the skull. Hit my driller up and drop 40 at the door. Custom shit made in Italy, got a plug in Japan. Hit China up and got iPhone, man. If I had superpowers, I would wanna be a jumper. You want beef with me, nigga? Better bring a thumper. Throwback days, I rocked the kid and played rap. Been counting old money since paper food stamps. Got my microwave working, my accountant taking orders. You okay with that change because a nigga taking quarters?